Hello children, hope all of you are safe and fine. Today we are going to start a new poem. The name of the poem is Little by Little. In this poem we will see how a small little seed becomes the biggest tree. In this poem we are going to see how the biggest oak tree begins his life from a tiny seed known as acorn. Now children, observe this picture very carefully. Can you identify what are these? Yes, these are seeds. You Now give a look at this picture. What are these? These are sprouts. Now identify this picture. You must have seen these small tiny plants around you. All of you must identify this picture. What a big tree is this, isn't it? All of you must observe the big trees near you. Now look at these seeds. Are you able to identify these seeds? These are acorn seeds. It is also known as oak nut. It is enclosed in a tough leathery shell in a cup-shaped shell. Today we are going to do a poem Little by Little, in which we observe that how an acorn seed become a big oak tree. Little by little, an acorn said as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. Mossy bed means wet soil. जो acorn बीज है वो कह रहा है कि वो धीरे धीरे जो wet soil है उसके अंदर अंदर जा रहा है. I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. जो acorn seed है वो कह रहा है कि मैं हर रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा बढ़ रहा हूँ और मैं hidden deep in the earth away मतलब अर्थ में मैं छुपा हुआ हूँ और अर्थ से दूर जा रहा हूँ मतलब नीचे बाहर की ओर निकल रहा हूँ. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. जो acorn है वो कह रहा है कि मैं हर रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा बढ़ रहा हूँ और हर रोज मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा जो है थोड़ा थोड़ा करके ड्यू मीन्स ओस की बूंदे उसको सिप कर रहा हूँ, उसको पीता हूँ. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. जब नीचे की तरफ वो सीड बढ़ता है और वो बिल्कुल धागे की तरह पतला पतला बढ़ता है उसे रूट्स कहते हैं और जो मिट्टी के ऊपर की ओर पार्ट पड़ता है उसे हम शूट कहते हैं और वो पूरे हवा में चारों तरफ फैल जाता है. Day by day and year by year, little by little, the leaves appear. जैसे जैसे दिन बीतता जाता है, जैसे जैसे साल बीतते जाते हैं, धीरे धीरे करके उस पेड़ पे लीव्स भी आने शुरू हो जाते हैं. And the slender branches spread far and wide till the mighty oak is the forest pride. जैसे जैसे वो पतली पतली ब्रांचेस जो होती है वो दूर दूर तक बहुत फैल जाती है और जब वो माइटी, माइटी मीन्स बहुत बड़ा, वेरी बिग, बड़ा पेड़, ओक का जो पेड़ है वो फॉरेस्ट का प्राइड बन जाता है, फॉरेस्ट के लिए वो एक गर्व बन जाता है, इतना बड़ा पेड़ मेरे पास है। Let us recite the whole poem once again.
Little by little, an acorn fed as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. I'm improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Downward it sent up earth, thread like roots. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak in the forest pride. Thank you.
Now children, have you seen that there are some words underlined with colored lines? These words end with the same sound, so they are known as rhyming words. Rhyming words. The words which ends with the same sound are called rhyming words. Some of them are grew, dew, root, shoot, day, away, ear, appear, white, pride, said, bed. Now you can underline the rhyming words in your textbook. Now there is a video clipping which shows the life cycle of an oak tree. Please go through it very carefully. Hope all of you enjoy the poem. Now learn the poem from your textbook. Thank you and have a nice day.